Good morning, happy homeowners. Hear that echo? Furniture is out. I love that. Man, I'm excited for you guys today. Woo! And me. Hey, over here in Newport Beach, behind this area. God, these are great homes. But this floor is a custom hand-distressed walnut floor made by this company called Richard Marshall. Phenomenal company. They do great work. But I like it because early 80s when I got into the hardwood floor business, I used to work for these guys. It's like two different guys, Richard Marshall and another guy, Dick Hirsch and stuff. But anyway, down in West Hollywood at the Pacific Design Center. And I moved on and started working other places and never thought about these guys again. And then years later, they start making this phenomenal hand-distressed, pre-finished floor. But it's a great floor. Nothing is wrong with this floor. Let me show you what we got here. It is excellent. Beautiful floor. Look at this. Look at this. It's all hands rubbed and oiled. Great parquet right here. Nothing wrong with it. Over here we got the plank. Now the rest of this plank in the house, this is the only room. We got these 4-inch, 6-inch walnut hand distressed, the bevels. This is the only room that doesn't have the square walnut pegs. See these? Love these. These are all done by hand. Only thing wrong with the floor is they don't like the color. And if you don't like the color, you don't like the color. So we're going to get rid of this red, orange. You see it? The raw natural walnut is beautiful. We may stay that. We may add a little bit of stain. We will see. By the end of the day, I'll do another video and you'll see this beautiful walnut, the raw. We're going to do upstairs next week. I don't know, what is 3,000, 4,000 square feet? But it's all down here. We are actually, got a big closet, right? Yeah. This vanity thing here, I'm going to take that out for them. They're getting a new one in about, I don't know, 6 weeks, 8 weeks or something. So I'd rather take it out now so they don't destroy my beautiful floor. Okay, man, I'm excited. Tune back in this afternoon for another episode of OnlyWoodFloors, specializing in perfection. Say hi. Who's this? Who are you?
I'm Nicholas' fiance.
So you're the one getting married, and yes. Good for you, brother. Good for you.
I'm dropping this key off.
Okay.
It's just gonna sit right there.
All right, excellent. Excellent. Yes, sir. Yeah, the daughter's getting married. Anyway, hey, questions? Leave them in the comments. We'll get to you. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? We'll get you a link to that. Getting ready to hang some plastic. You know, we got all the vacuums, but we still like to do the plastic. Because even though it's dustless, it still has a small amount of dust. But love this outdoor fireplace. And I'm not rich enough to even figure out how to open the door, but I mean, look at this. This is why you pay money to live in California, because you can. I mean, this is a whole outdoor living area with the sink, the bar, and that's what you want, fireplace. But tune back in. It'll be this afternoon. I'm gonna do a video, maybe at lunchtime, but we're gonna get these machines going. Thanks for watching, guys.